Carbon County in central North Carolina, eastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, southwestern Oak County in central North Carolina, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rockingham to near Hamlet, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Hamlet, Hoffman, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, Dobbins Heights, Wagram, Gibson, Laurel Hill, and Sand Hills Game Land. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh had...
Okay, an SVR issued by Raleigh that has the Mr. Order reminder from the RadioShack 12-254, the telephone radio. Anyways, an SVR issued by Raleigh for the North Carolina counties of Hoke, Moore, Richmond, and I think Scotland. Believe it or not, this actually got issued just as I was about to edit the video, which, to give you kind of a sneak peek, it's the tornado drill video, from March 6th. Little sneak peek there, something I don't normally do, but yeah, this got issued just as I was editing that. And Roy just popped in and said, hey, we're here with this.